Okay, so we're in Storey Lake as well, and these are townhouses. This is 1,915 square feet, just like the others. 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and it's like 2 years older. I don't think that it makes much of a difference. This one is listed for $533,000. All the amenities in Storey Lakes for $533,000. Okay, so here we are from the interior. Here's the foyer. And 1 bathroom. Upgraded fixtures. Nice shower. Okay, here's the bedroom downstairs. Same setup with the closet over there, linen closet. And 2 closets here. Okay, dining room. This seems like a little more open, maybe. No, maybe it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, 4 stools on the bar. Nice appliances, darker cabinets in this unit. Lots of storage. Huge bar. I don't know what's going on with the sink right there. Subway tiles. Lots and lots of storage. Nice large living room. We have some architectural feature here. Some accents. And this one does not have the sliding glass door blocked. Maybe that's what it was in the other one. The sliding glass door was blocked by a couch. Okay. Alright. Okay, obviously they do not have a table set up, but it will go right there. Nice pool. Let's go upstairs. A lot of people think that theming out a room like this will make its rent as well, push up your occupancy rate. I've heard a lot of owners say that. If you put the marble in the rooms, it helps. So that was 1, 2, 3 bedrooms up here, 1 downstairs. Yeah. Okay, so here's the closet that was locked in the other unit. Fairly large. Right, here you go. Bathroom number 3. Okay, so this one is $533, so it's the least expensive on the market right now. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. I mean, really good actually. Give me a call. 407-227-4800. 407-227-4800. 4800. Thanks.